Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into the 7 crucial IT troubleshooting steps. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, these steps are essential for resolving common issues effectively. 1. Identify the problem. The first step is to identify the problem. Pinpoint the issue by gathering information about symptoms and error messages. Our lived experience tells us that skipping this step can lead to wasted time and frustration. 2. Replicate the issue. Replicating the issue is the second step. It's like detective work for IT. By recreating the problem, you can better understand its scope and root cause. This reduces ambiguity and accelerates resolution. 3. Isolate the cause. Isolating the cause is step 3. Identify whether the issue is hardware, software, or network related. This step streamlines the troubleshooting process and prevents unnecessary complexity. 4. Develop a solution. Now, let's talk about developing a solution. Utilize your expertise and available resources to address the problem. Our pro tip: document the solution for future reference and share it with your team. 5. Implement the solution. Implementing the solution is step 5. Ensure that your fix aligns with best practices and security protocols. This reduces the likelihood of recurrence and promotes a stable IT environment. 6. Test the solution. Testing the solution is critical. Don't assume the problem is resolved. Confirm it. This step mitigates the risk of false positives and guarantees a reliable fix. Remember, precision matters in IT troubleshooting. 7. Monitor and document. Our 7th and final step is to monitor and document. Keep an eye on the system to confirm the stability of your solution. Documenting the entire process contributes to a comprehensive knowledge base, making future troubleshooting more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. Thank you for watching, and happy troubleshooting.